Hey guys, I'm back with another video. Today I'll be going through some quick technical analysis for you. As you know, the cryptocurrency markets have been dropping and people have been going crazy. People have been losing money because they bought at the top, and yeah, they've been going crazy because of that. But there's no need to go crazy. This is just a time of opportunity. The market is presenting us with so many opportunities to buy at discounted prices, and so that's what we're going to look to do. So yeah, let's take a look at Bitcoin against US dollar quickly here. As you can see, it's been making low lows. It's broken through this fib, and you guys that know me, have been watching the videos, know I love this area here, this 50% retracement area. So let's take a look at the chart. Yeah, let's get this up here. As you can see, there's a high up here. Then we've got this other one down here, and then below that we have this little guy down here. So basically, if price doesn't make it past this high here, then chances are it's probably gonna form a lower low again. But before that, if it actually gets to around this zone here, and probably more precisely to the around the 1100 area, which is a psychological level, then you could expect price to bounce from this, considering it's a confluence of the 50% retracement level. Personally, I think this is my buy area. Below that we have the 61.8 or 0.618. Cryptocurrencies seem to love this area, but for me, I don't see Bitcoin getting this low. But if it did, actually, it would be there could be a confluence down here with the 200 MA, and that if price actually meets the 200 MA and it's tied in with 0.618 level and hits this area here, I'm telling you, I'm gonna buy from that level for sure. That would be a bargain for me. And if it ends up going below there, then that's just the markets. But to be honest, for me, likelihood is that I just got more in my favor if I took the trade from here. But for now, 50%, and perhaps upon reviewing it now, I would split. So what I was going to invest here, I would split it and basically invest a portion here, and if price gets to here, then slap it on there. Let's delete these just so you guys can see clearly where I'm talking about and exactly what I'm talking about. So yeah, as you can see, it's a clear downtrend, low lows, low highs, and but we've met the 50% retracement level here. In between that, you've got 10,000, which is a strong psychological level, so we could see some traffic there if it does break the 11,000 area. But other than that, I think price would want to meet this if there's a confluence down here. That'd be a beautiful area to get in my opinion, around the 9k level, just below 9k. That'd be gorgeous. All right, moving on to, let's check out Ethereum. It's all confusing, so you guys, let me delete some stuff so it's easier for you guys to have a look. As you can see, I've had this area lined out for a long time, the 700 area. I'd love to enter here. You can see there was a lot of strong support here, there was a lot of traffic here. But before that, I'd have to hit the 800 level, which is at the top of this range here. Strong entry, strong place to enter on Ethereum. it would have to drop quite a lot, and it is dropping quite a lot at the moment. Whether it can keep this momentum, that's another thing, but it does seem to have a lot of momentum, to be honest. And considering all the FUD around, I can see it continuing, which would be good news for me, I suppose, but not for people who bought at the top. So yeah, that's Ethereum. Pretty simple at the moment. It just seems to be a casual pullback as opposed to a full-on downtrend, because it has been rallying for a while. This is completely healthy. I don't know what people expected. Did they expect it to keep going up? I don't know. But this is how financial markets react. Things can't go up forever. There's going to be an eventual pullback, and when you want to enter, you wait for that pullback and you get in. If you want to know the risk, of course, you could get in on the top and it could keep going up, but it's all about how much risk you want to take, to be honest, and that's the simple matter of it. So yeah, let's take a look at Ether against Bitcoin. It's been on a downtrend, and then it's pulled back through that downtrend and broken through the 50% retracement level, and it's bounced off of it, retested it. So if this holds, we can expect it maybe to bounce to the 618 and probably have some trouble getting through there. As you can see, let's line that up. There was it's held up as support and resistance in the past. Price has been rejected from there several times, so it's a good level. Maybe if you wanted to get some ETH with Bitcoin, it's quite cheap. It'd be a good level before it gets more expensive. But if Ethereum was to go through it, then you could see it probably just continue probably to the all-time high. I don't see much stopping it on its way up if it was to break through this level. Let's see if we could get in on a pullback. Let's see what it offers us here. Yeah, so as you can see, the 50% retracement area is kind of in between the 200 MA and the 200 EMA, and the 200 MA actually sits close to the 0.236 Fibonacci on this downtrend and on the 0.618. So this kind of zone here, it's getting a bit confusing, I suppose, if you're not familiar with trading or charts, but I hope you can kind of follow. So as you can see, there's just so much reason here and even here. So this sort of area, if price manages to actually break through these fibs and break through the 200 EMA, perhaps we will reevaluate, or as price dips we can reevaluate. But for now, it doesn't seem like it's crashing through. It seems to have broken some resistance and retested it, retesting it on a short pullback, and we'll see how it goes. The prices haven't been acting as dramatically against the cryptocurrencies haven't been moving as dramatically against each other as they have against the dollar. But I guess it's all a matter of perspective in terms of like where you bought and how much you've risked in the end. But yeah, that's it really for this video. I suppose I can come out with more technical analysis over the next coming days, because there's loads of opportunities out there. But I hope this kind of helped you. I know it was a bit fast and it was a bit in depth, but if you have to, just rewind it and watch it again, or check out the technical analysis for beginners video. If you're familiar with technical analysis, this would have been kind of alright for you, I suppose. But if you have any suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave a like, and thanks for watching.